lumber that you buy. The width is 1.5 inches. I mean, it might be off a little bit due to drying, but I want to cut that exactly in half because I'm going to lose the kerf of the saw. I set the saw 3/4 of an inch to the center, 3/4 of an inch to the center. So that's the one piece. Now I'll cut that in half. And there we have her. It's just under 3/4 as planned. Just under 3/4, so then no matter which way I put it, it's square. And then I don't have to worry about orientation. Our stickers.